Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, the next visual field defect is The next visual field defects in the open angle glaucoma is actually a paracentral scotoma. Right. In paracentral scotoma, if this is the visual field, here you will see that a small ring-shaped scotoma will occur either above or below the blind spot. So first we should label the blind spot. So this is the blind spot. So either below or above, a small ring-shaped scotoma is seen, which is called as paracentral scotoma. Right, like this. A small ring-shaped scotoma which is seen like this, which is called as superior paracentric scotoma. So it is small ring-shaped scotoma which is seen either above or below the blind spot in the germs area, either below or above the blind spot in the germs area. You can see this paracentral scotoma. This is actually the earliest clinical significant visual field defect is paracentral scotoma. In paracentral scotoma, the earliest clinically significant visual field defect is paracentral scotoma in open angle glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.